This gel polish rose quartz nail is easier than you think. So start off with a pink builder gel base. I've used Bloom because it's a nice soft pink, and that's from North Nail Systems. So then you're going to go in with like an opal effect polish. This one is called Fairy Tale and it's from Pro Impressions. Next, I'm using Pro Impressions Ultra White Gel Paint, and I'm going to create the lines, almost the veins of the actual the quartz. So once I've done that, I'm going in with the Lil Baby blender brush from Nails by Dev, and I'm just blending those lines out. Don't worry about being too precise here. It's a natural stone, so it's supposed to look a little bit jaggedy here. So then I've had a play. Once I'm happy with that, again, cure that in the lamp. Now I think Fairy Tale might actually be a top coat too. So when I went in to actually try and stick the gold on, it wasn't sticking. So I had to go in with another layer of the Fairy Tale, and I left it wet. Once I'd done that, I then placed in my gold shards. These ones are from Tracy Lou, but you can get these anywhere now. Once I've done that, again, give that another cure in the lamp. You're curing all the way as you go. Then I'll go in with a milky white. This one's again from North Nail Systems, and I just go in and I create any apex that I need using that, because this is obviously a builder gel. I'll use my liner brush just to make sure that I'm happy with the shape, and then I'll give that a cure. You may wish to file after this step as well. Then, if I don't need to file, I'm just going to go straight in with my top coat, cure it, and then you're done. I did also leave in a step where I go in with Pro Impressions liquid chrome afterwards, just to see what that looked like over the top. And the question is, to chrome or not to chrome? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please do make sure you give us a like and a follow. Thank you for watching, and I really do hope this helps. Bye now.